Hi, okay, I'm back. I'm gonna show you, this is what I do, how I prepare my food. My food is prepared separately from the family. I have me a baked potato. Now I cook this in the microwave. I'll have to show how I did that. You probably already know, but hey, some people don't. Um, so right now I'm ready to prepare my potato. You know, get that all out of the peel. I don't have to put this in the processor because it's a baked potato. Hot. It's fresh and hot. Really, really hot. Got that out. Already got this. Very careful not to get any peels. That will make me sick. Even though it's processed, it will still make me sick. Sometimes you don't get enough when you doing a gastroparesis diet. You don't get a whole lot of nutrition sometimes. So that's why you have to take vitamins and drink those concern shakes. So drink these. I try to get them in, but some days I just don't drink not one. Sometimes you just don't really have an appetite. Just, sometimes you like I have energy during the day, but as the day goes on, sometimes my energy level starts depleting. So I'm ready to put a little salt and pepper on here. I love pepper. Salt. So mix this up. I add a little bit of milk. I don't care for almond milk unless it's a chocolate one, and I don't do soy. I just add a little bit of milk in here so I can give it a creamy texture. I don't want to I'm disposable chicken. I have so many types of cookware. My sink is completely empty. My kitchen's clean. My dishwasher is empty. So thank you, Katie Pod, and thank you to my hubby. They really helped me out a lot. I really have a, I really have a good husband. He really, he's my rock. He is really my rock. Okay, so I put that to the side. Okay, now I'm gonna do my green beans first. I cooked these yesterday for the family, but there was some left over from them, so I'm gonna put them in here. See, I have a little bit of liquid in here, so I'm going to. Anybody, no one is eating this but me, so I can do all this. So I'm gonna put my green beans in. I love green beans. I can eat them every day. Let's see, make sure I have enough liquid in there so they'll get the consistency. Oops, I got some on the counter. I can throw that away. said I cooked the salmon already. See, I said I was gonna cook my little four-legged child some salmon, and I did. He's got a little teeny piece, and he is waiting so patiently. I won't give it to him until I sit down because now he's not gonna do anything but sit at me and look and stare. And I love he does, but that really gets on my nerves. Okay, get this on here. Okay, got that all locked up. I'm gonna toss it. Okay, all right. Let's see a few big pieces. Um, I'm gonna just take those out. I'm gonna go through this, make sure I don't have any like large pieces. Okay. All right. Pour this out down here, and I can dump this out here. So, all right. Okay. I got my green beans. Oh, that's a big one in there that's left. So here are my green beans, people. Doesn't look appetizing to oops. Ooh, Lord, I'm just spilling stuff. I'm just spilling crap. I do not want to do that. Mm-mm. Anyway, here are my green beans, as you can see. Here are my green beans. Okay, I have those. Now it's time for my ginger plum salad. Yes, yes, yes. This is a crowd favorite of mine. When I have people, they love this ginger plum salmon, and I make my citrusy shrimps to go with it. So I plug this one, put it to the side, and I use this one for all my poultry and my seafood, fish. I use this one because to me, I think this is a better. It has more power. It's my little ninja chopper. One day I'm gonna have to take you guys a tour of my garage where I love kitchen stuff, kitchen appliances, baking stuff. I just love it, love it, love it, love it. So now I am going to get my fish. And I'm gonna put these in here. I'm gonna put those in there. And see, you have to see. I could never eat this like this. I would choke. I would really choke, and then I would throw up. And while I'm sleeping, sometimes I throw up during my sleep, and the occasion sometimes I may aspirate. Then I have to end up going on antibiotics and steroids to get the um, inflammation and drive the fluid that's in my lungs. So as I do this, I'm explaining some of the things of why I do this. And and guys, my alarm hasn't gone off but once today for my low blood sugar, considering the fact I really haven't eaten. So I'm going to take some of my ginger plum sauce. And I told you, put some to the side because I'm going to have to use some of this to give it some moisture. And now, put it on. Pulse, 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 pulse. See, pulse, pulse, pulse. See that big chunk one, that last big block? It's not getting down in these blades, so I need to break it up. Oops. My little fork broke. Okay, I think I need to do is get this last little big block off, get it all incorporated. I just don't do this because I pulse my stuff. Okay, got this out the way. Now it's time to assemble my plates. I use these little kitty plates because you have to eat. I eat, I stop, and then I come back with my little plates. I can't sit down and eat. These are little toddler plates, and they're very, whenever I see them like at Walmart or Target, these are these came from I think these came from Target. They were like 75 cents or 50 cents. But anyway, I think so. Yeah, these are Targets. Yeah, it says Target. These are Targets, but I seen them at Walmart too. I think, but the plates and things set up. Take my blade out, my chopper rather. Okay, put it in there. Not really good. Yeah. So here's my It's very important that I get my nutritionist is always questioning me about getting this protein in, and so see how much food those two pieces of salmon make for someone who's on a gastroparesis diet. See how much that is? That's a lot. And that's just two pieces of salmon. That is a lot. So I always put my protein in my largest portion because that's what I really want to focus on too. Because I just recently, and see if I can get 3 plates out of here. I should be. Well, really look like I'm gonna get 4. Yeah, look like I'm gonna get 4 out of here. Mother's gonna get 4 plates out of here today. Okay. Yeah. No, it looks like I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make it end up going 4 instead of 3. It's gonna be 4, so that's good. I don't eat every day like that. But there are just days I really just don't have an appetite. I'm really, it's really, it's all about, it's all about maintenance. Do what you gotta do. You know. Okay, so I've gotten that all out the way. This potato's not gonna go 4, but so I put these in. I'm very sensitive to white potatoes. Some diabetics are really, really overly sensitive, and I'm one of those diabetics that's very sensitive to white potatoes. I don't like those instant things that come in a box. And this is a baked potato, like the russet. Normally, I make my mashed potatoes with Yukon Golds. They taste better, but I had that one laying around. Um, these are my Yukon Golds. This is mainly what I like to make my mashed potatoes with. I don't make mashed potatoes with russets because to me they're just strictly for baked potatoes. Um, I prefer to make my mashed potatoes out of a Yukon Gold. So I've got 3 so far. I don't really eat a whole lot of. Okay, got that out the way. Trash. Okay, now. All right, guys. Now it's time for my trusted green beans, if I can find them. Um, Another thing, because I do struggle with struggle with cognitive stuff. Some I do have little sticky notes, like to turn off the stove because I've burnt myself so many times, not remembering that I had turned the stove on. I have notes. I sometimes put clothes in the washer and it won't remember that I did, and it's just things like that. And, sometimes I stop in mid sentence because I forget the conversation. Now, I do puzzles. I do word search, as long as they're large print. But I do word searches. I do puzzles, things that help me focus. I do play a lot of games, puzzle games and matching games on my phone, as well as memory. A little kitty memory game. I have one of those because anything that helps me maintain this. I have demyelinating disease. It's a form of MS. I've had it since 2006, um, but it just really took a turn. The worst when I end up having my spine surgery. 'Cause from here to here, my spine is fused. I had I had no cartilage in my spine, so oh my God, that was. Oh, I knew I would be incapacitated. He had told me that. I had no idea I would be like a quadriplegic. But my husband took such good care. They wanted to send me to a rehab center, and I cried like a baby. My husband said no. So so this is my plate. I'm gonna put me a little sauce so you guys can see it. Okay, here's my plate. And so what I'll do, I'll take these, and I have my ginger plum salmon, my green beans, and my baked potato. So this is my soft, mushy. And so I just cover these with foil, and I put them in the fridge. Thank you for joining me in my life.